children, family, kids, boys and girls of all ages. Today we are going to get insight about the author of the book Banana Bread and Fractions. In the book, she writes, "When living in Cambodia in 2019, I wanted to make use of the bananas that ripen quickly in the humid climate. Thus, the quest began for a banana bread recipe that involved minimal cleanup, since dishes were washed by hand with limited water, and minimal ingredients, as baking supplies were limited. After many adaptations, taste testing, and sharing the unique bread with treasured locals, the ideal recipe was formed. I find it a deliciously simple banana bread that is not overly sweet, since it has minimal sugar." This same recipe was turned into a children's story about fractions in 2020. That is this story. To add, I have a teaching credential in math. I believe it is helpful for children to see numbers, fractions included, in everyday practical ways outside of the classroom. This recipe story is made for anyone who likes baking, math, or tasty banana bread. Raise your hand if you like tasty banana bread. In recent years, I have learned how nutrition and ingredients can impact our health. Many chronic diseases are preventable. When cooking or baking at home, I substitute certain ingredients for healthier alternatives recommended by trusted nutrition sources. Children can benefit learning early that food made healthy is good for your body and can taste yummy too. I revisited this special recipe while living in Colorado with my husband. Surrounded by creative beauty in the mountains, I was moved to make joyful creations. This book is now being published as a sea-level version for others to enjoy. Since being in the mountains at higher elevation requires some modifications for baking. Finally, the author says, "Let the measuring and baking begin." Signed, Joyfully Amy. So that is the insight about the author in the new book, Banana Bread and Fractions. You all have a great day. Bye-bye now.